What is up, guys? So if you watched my last video, I actually went ahead and installed the black carpet in my 07 STi. Now the next step that I'm going to do are the door cards. So I want to obviously get rid of this blue fabric door card. If you watched my last couple videos, you'll know that I actually went ahead and found some door cards out of a 2007 STi Limited. So here they come with the black leather instead of the blue fabric. So what we're gonna go ahead and do in this video is replace all 4 door cards. As well, if I have time, I will also end up installing the rear seats as well as the front seats. In the last couple of videos, I basically went over everything that I was going to be doing on the interior of this car. So if you haven't watched those, definitely go back and check those out. Overall, what I'm doing is pretty much a full swap. So all the fabric, all the pieces with any blue on it have been swapped out. As well, I'll also be doing the gray trim and pillars and the headliner. And again, those will all be separate videos as well. So if you haven't, definitely subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date with all that's going on. So let's go ahead and get started. I don't think these are too bad. I think there are a couple little black clips that you need to pop open. One just in behind this door handle and another one just inside here. All you need to do is just grab like a flathead screwdriver and pop those caps open, and it should reveal a couple Phillips screws. So, and then we'll take those screws out, and then I believe for the most part it is just clips holding the door card on. You'll probably have to take this whole plastic piece out as well as this one here. There'll probably be some cables obviously going to the bottom of this due to the window controls. But yeah, so we'll have to take these out. Like I said, we'll work from the bottom to the top, basically just popping all the clips out. And then we should be able to just slide this whole door card just up and then right off. So I'm gonna grab a couple screwdrivers so we can start popping this stuff off.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you. Full speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension. Move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it. Mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end.
All right, so as you can see, just 2 plugs holding this piece in. So we can take that and put that out of the way. And then this piece also needs to come off. I would just grab a little tiny flathead. There are some little tiny clips that basically hold this outer section of the trim onto the inner section. There you go. All right, that's a little awkward. If you see what I'm kind of saying here, on the inside you see all these little holes. These, all those little holes have clips, basically just kind of clip around on the inside. So they're a little awkward to get to. So like I said, get yourself just like a tiny little flathead and that will do the job. And then this whole piece will just pop off. You guys, so once you take those pieces off, the next step is, I already actually popped it off, but if you reach around, I'd like to start on this corner and you just pull, get your fingers kind of just around the edge of the plastic. If you just pull up, you'll hear the clips just start to pop off. And then you can kind of work your way around the bottom. And just be gentle and just kind of pull. And slowly work your way up. And yeah, once you feel like all the clips have given away, you should just be able to slide the door card up and off, just like that. Pretty easy actually. Just be careful when you're doing this. Just have patience with some of those clips like around the door handles. Last thing you want to do is crack a bunch of the clips. Or you don't want to like actually crack this whole plastic piece. That's the last thing you want. So just have patience with it and they will come off. Alright guys, and just so you can see, here is just a bit of a comparison between the two. This is the limited door card, and as you can tell, instead of the blue fabric, it just has this black leather. So that's the only reason why I'm swapping them out. I really didn't want to do any like reupholstery or anything, so last thing I wanted to do is try and rewrap this in a new fabric. And then I didn't want to paint the fabric or anything like that. So as you can tell, the only difference between these two is the fabric and the color. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is reinstall this door card in the exact same place, and hopefully it all clips back in nice and easy. And then we'll go to the other side, do that, and then I will let you know if the back doors are any different, but I don't think they should be too different. Should be pretty much the exact same. Also, just another note, before you go ahead and put this new door card back on, just go around and make sure that all the clips are in the right places. Last thing you want to do is start clipping the door back in and then realize you're missing a clip. So just double check all the clips are there. Hey guys, so I also forgot to mention, I'm putting this door card back on, and it's kind of tight right in this area here, just to get this door card up around the ledge and yet still have it tucked below this piece. What I realized is this piece should actually just pop off. So if we go ahead and grab it, just like that, this piece will just pop off. And now I can get the door card up onto its ledge, and then after I can just pop this back over top. I was wondering how to do that, and that was definitely an easy solution, that's for sure. So now we can go ahead and put this back up around. There we go. Now it's on. That was a bit finicky, but just take your time and it'll eventually get around there. And then all you need to do is just with your hand, you can just bump the clips on. Move this camera here a bit. First, we can actually pop this plastic trim back up on the top here. Should just pop into those 3 plugs. Just like so. I'm going to go ahead and do this bottom piece first. So grab this tray, make sure you have your connectors handy here, and reconnect those. Like so. And then just gently guide them back down. And again, this should just pop back into place. We'll take the top piece and this 2. Like that. There we go. That should all be good. And now lastly, just take your 2 screws that you had before. They should be the exact same size. And just grab your screwdriver. And we'll put these 2 Phillips screws back in place. Get those just nice and hand tight. Then you can go ahead and just close those little caps. Voila! Just like that. I'll go ahead and give these guys a nice clean right away. Make sure they match the rest of the interior. So as you can see, by the way, this is the piece that I was talking about here. You can see how the door card actually sits below it. And so when I was trying to get this thing up on the ledge here, where basically the top of the door card sits, I was basically looking at this and thinking, how the heck are you supposed to get this door card underneath this ledge? Well, this piece, as you saw, just pops right off and then pops back in. So make sure you take this piece out first before you do all that. And then yeah, top of the door card should basically be nice and lined up with the window. All your clips should be in. And yeah, that is the final product. And my God, does it look so much better. And now as you can see, with the black carpet inside, it's kind of dark here. Let me grab my flashlight. Oh, don't blind you guys. Black carpet, man, does it look so much better with these door cards. Everything is starting to come together. The blue is disappearing. All right, so let's quickly go over to the other side. I'm gonna get the passenger door card done, and then I will show you how to do the rear doors. Door number 2, done. Really not too difficult, that's for sure. And man, what a difference does that make. Oh, this is really coming together. Alright guys, so as for the rear door cards, I'm pretty sure they're actually the exact same as the front. So again, there'll just be one Phillips screw down in here, and then in behind the handle, there's another screw. Pop these 2 pieces off. There's obviously just less trim plastic back here. Pop these 2 pieces off, and then the same thing, we should just be able to pop the door card clips and then just kind of lift it up and over, and should be the exact same thing, just the door card's a little bit smaller. Let's get that done. I'll let you know if there's any differences. So I'm just gonna pop this off, pop the new one on. I think we found a difference, guys. These door cards in the back, see right here? There's a little screw, little Phillips plastic clip or screw right in the side here. I think that's what's holding us up. Whoops, that's one way to do it. Yeah, FYI, make sure you get that screw out first. All right guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and pop this new one back on. Connect our plug back into it. There we go. And put this piece back down here. And then lastly, this trim piece here. That is it. Pop our screws back in. Close the caps. Alright guys, I'm getting too good at this. If you need door cards installed, let me know. Look at that. This thing is coming together, my God. Alright guys, so I just went ahead and I threw that last door card on. I figured you saw me do 3 of them. You probably don't need to see me do the 4th. I'll just show you what it looks like here. All the door cards are back in place and they look so much better all black. But anyways, so yeah, I was originally thinking if I had time, I might throw the back seats and the front seats in. But honestly, it's around dinner time and I am starving. So I think I am going to call it quits and basically just do the seat install probably tomorrow. That's when I'll probably get those done. And yeah, then the interior will at least all be back into place. I can drive the car. And then the next couple videos after that is when I will do the interior trim and the headliner. So definitely stay tuned for those videos. But yeah, I think I'm gonna call it quits here, guys. I'll show you a couple shots of the new door cards. I'll try and get some light on them so they're a little bit brighter for you. But yeah, as you can see, it is definitely starting to look good. The black door cards with the black leather looks so much better. And as you can see now with the black carpet. But anyways guys, like I said, that is where I'm gonna call it quits today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely smash that like button once again. It'd be greatly appreciated. As well, if you have not subscribed, definitely do that now. You can stay up to date with how this project keeps progressing. Like I said, I've done quite a bit. And then next video, I'm gonna end up putting the seats in, and then there's still the trim paint and the headliner wraps. So still quite a bit to go, but it is definitely starting to take shape. It'll look a lot better after next video when I put the seats in. But no, I could not be happier with this. A long time waiting for the all black interior, and I'm definitely happy I finally committed to it. As well, I'll also post my Instagram down in the description below. So if you haven't, definitely go follow me there. Again, we'll pick things up where we left off in the next one. Hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and we'll catch you in the next video. Take it easy, guys.